In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and refine content with GenSpark from start to finish. We'll move from the very first idea all the way to a polished piece you can share with your audience. Start by opening GenSpark and deciding what kind of creator work you want to make. Are you building a blog post, a video script, a social caption, a newsletter, or a visual asset? Having a clear goal up front helps you pick the right format, keep a consistent tone, and imagine how your audience will experience the final piece. Next, craft a prompt that tells GenSpark exactly what you need. Be specific about the topic, the audience, the tone, and the format. You might include length targets, keywords to weave in, a desired call to action, or any must include points. If you're making visuals, describe the style, mood, color palette, and aspect ratio. The more context you give at this stage, the closer the first draft will be to your vision. Let GenSpark generate the first draft or output. Give it a moment to work, then scan the result with fresh eyes. Look for the big picture. Does it answer the brief? Is the structure logical? Are there any gaps, repetitions, or claims that need fact-checking? Mark anything that feels off, vague, or too generic so you can tighten it up. Now improve the result by editing the text, visuals, or structure. Rewrite sentences that feel awkward, clarify jargon, and adjust the tone to match your brand voice. Strengthen the opening and conclusion, add clear headings, and reorganize sections to create a smooth flow. If you're working with visuals, refine composition, adjust contrast and legibility, and make sure any text in images is easy to read. Keep accessibility in mind by using plain language and clear alt text where appropriate. Use GenSpark again to expand, rewrite, or polish your content. Ask it to deepen thin sections with examples, simplify complex passages, or offer alternative headlines and hooks. You can request a more energetic tone, a tighter summary, or a version tailored to a different platform. Iterate in small cycles. Review, prompt, refine. This back and forth often uncovers stronger angles and sharper phrasing. Finally, export or publish the finished work for your audience. Choose the right format, copy it into your platform, and add a descriptive title, metadata, and any links you referenced. Do one last proofread for accuracy and flow, then hit publish. Save your prompt and edits as a reusable template so your next GenSpark project starts even faster.